Hey, it's Ted here. I'm on a J92 called Triple Play. And it's a race boat, and it has that 1 GM I've worked on. You've seen videos on the starter, water pump, so-and-so. We got another one. This, again, a 32-year-old engine. It's been rebuilt, but we've got this problem now where we have a water leak, and it was over on the exhaust side of the engine, and determined that it was the exhaust riser, which is a custom-built riser, I believe, for this application. So let's get started, and I'll show you what it looks like and what we're going through. So here's the engine again. We've been down here, we've done all the wiring in this boat, and there is the exhaust coming out of the cylinder head, and we have put a fid in the exhaust hose, tighten the hose clamp, put that up as high as I can on the engine, so that prevents, if we get in a big storm, probably being on a mooring wouldn't have a problem, but to protect the boat from water coming up the exhaust and trying to make it a submarine. We don't want that to happen. So the thing was, water was leaking right down here on the back side of the engine down here, just a couple of drips while the engine is running, and I ended up pulling the exhaust riser off, and as you can see, that has got a very, very small couple of holes in it, and it's just rotted through. So what we're going to do is try to take this and get it welded. I think it's stainless steel. But the welder will make that determination when they inspect it, and if we can patch it, we patch it. The only thing I need to do is to order the exhaust gasket. I've already cleaned the surface off. Interesting, because of the application, there's only 3 exhaust manifold bolts, or for the riser, that would be a manifold or a riser. So this one has a short riser that goes right to the exhaust pipe. I got another video from somebody that was on the starter issue, and they were asking about the wires and where they go, and I'll see if I can get in here. Right, so just another side view of it with the studs going back to the exhaust. So just a short one. We're going to see if we can get this welded and put it back together in the next few days. He's got to go racing by Wednesday, I believe, so we're going to try and get this a rush job for him. All right, I'll see you in the next one.